Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Vimeo Create for editing faster social clips. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Vimeo Create, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Vimeo website. Click on the Create tab in the top menu. Look for the Vimeo Create option in the drop-down menu. Select Get Started to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account if you don't have one. If you need to create an account, follow the on-screen instructions to complete registration. Once signed in, locate the Vimeo Create section on the website. Click on the Download button to start downloading the application. Wait for the download to complete, then locate the downloaded file on your device. Open the downloaded file to launch the installation wizard. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to install Vimeo Create. Choose the installation location if prompted, or accept the default settings. Click Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the wizard. Now, find the Vimeo Create app on your device. Open the app for the first time and log in with your Vimeo account. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. Start a new project to explore editing options for your social clips. Upload your media files to the workspace. Use the editing tools to trim, resize, and enhance your clips. Add music, text, or graphics as needed. Preview your edits to ensure everything looks just right. When satisfied, click on the Export button. Select your desired video quality and format for export. Wait for the export process to complete. Your video is now ready for sharing on social media platforms. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and used Vimeo Create for editing social clips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.